beautiful as you. I'll never have time, but I can make time for you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Shopping spree on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like?
So starting right out, as y'all can tell, I already put some makeup that matches her skin tone on the cap and also on the lace. I was just showing you guys how it looks and all that good stuff. I'm kind of nervous. This is my first voiceover, but yeah, I don't know why she did that face either. But right now, I'm just hot combing it down, and yeah, I'm only gonna come back when the parts that I feel like needs to be explained are explained. So I went to go get some alcohol. I prefer the 90% one, but we only had the 70% one. So when it comes to the alcohol, what you want to do is like just wipe above the hairline so that whatever adhesive you're using sticks better, because you know all the oils and stuff like that and the makeup, you know, that all contributes to how well your hair, the glue sticks to your skin. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and I was just pulling it back down to see where I wanted to lay the lace at. And so those little tabs on the side, if you cut them off, they will make your closure fit better. So yeah, I cut those off. So now at this part, I'm about to get ready to apply my adhesive. Now when it comes to your adhesive, you do want to put like a good amount on there and put it exactly where you want the hair to lay. Now if you're a beginner, you can like use some type of marking to tell you where to stop, but I just put a generous amount. And I also learned people, I used to do it as well, people like put layers on and then blow dry it. But if you put it all on like that right there and just put multiple layers at one time and then blow dry, all of it dries like the same. And yeah, I feel like your hair will stay on longer if you do it like that. So yeah, try doing that if you haven't yet.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
So after I applied the adhesive, I went in with my blow dryer and I put it on high and cool. And yeah, that's just my preference. I don't know, some people do it on heat, but I don't want to burn my sister up, so yeah, I didn't do that. Anyways, so y'all will see soon that I didn't dry it all the way because I really couldn't see, because I wanted to show you guys what it was like. Even when I did that right there, I really couldn't see for real. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys a good view, so I didn't blow dry from the front like I usually do. But yeah, it really didn't mess up anything, so I did it like that anyways. So as you guys can see in this clip, I'm laying the lace down. Like I said, I wanted to put it exactly where the hair laid. So yeah, right now I'm taking that rat tail comb and I'm combing that hair and that lace into the glue, so you know it lays very flat and it quote unquote melts it into there. But we're gonna have something else to help us melt the lace into there. And I also seen, like I said, that of course that the glue didn't dry all the way, so y'all see soon I'm gonna take the blow dryer and blow dry it while it's laying down.
Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I look up, just wanna be your girl.
So right here I am tying this elastic band around her head so it helps melt the lace into her skin. So yeah, if you don't have an elastic band, I really suggest getting one. This is my first time having one and I see a big difference with me using this and a scarf. So yeah, get you one of these.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I look up, just wanna be
So right here I was just showing y'all that I'm going to use some foundation to crisp up her part a little bit so it can be a little bit crispy or whatever. So yeah, that's what I was doing right there. So right now I'm about to flatten her hair. Now something that I did mess up on is I think I sprayed a little bit too much of this oil, so her hair looks very oily and stringy, but it's not. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the details about this hair in the description bar. It was very cheap for what you get, and it has very good quality, and I really love this hair. And no, this video is not sponsored at all, but yeah, y'all really should check out this hair company. It's on AliExpress. Hair came super quick. All the details will be in the description bar, so if you want to get this hair, and it's very affordable, very affordable. So if you want to get this hair, I will leave the link in the description and everything else.
More than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
So now, as y'all can tell, I'm taking this elastic band off because it's been on there for a good while. And look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm about to get ready to cut this lace off. Now, when it comes to cutting your lace, I'm using some eyebrow scissors. You can get these from Dollar Tree. That's where I got mine from, the dollar store. So yeah, when it comes to cutting your lace, you don't want to cut it straight across. You want to cut very jagged because you don't want it to look like you just got a shape up. So yeah, I think that's what it's called, shape up. But yeah, you want to cut very jagged, and that's what I did here. So yeah, y'all can see that. So right now I'm getting ready to cut these baby hairs. I'm using the same scissors that I used to cut her lace with. When it comes to baby hairs, it's kind of tricky for me because I'm still learning, of course, how to do things. So yeah, you do want to cut like slanted. Don't cut straight across because yeah, our hair don't grow like that. And I'm using some foam to slick them down. My sister actually likes her baby hairs to be like very firm and in place. So I usually use Got to Be Glued, but the foam it makes the baby hair very easy to maneuver around and things like that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
Imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is and just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
You doing too much.
So yeah, I told her that the hair looked very stringy because of the oil I put on her hair, and yeah, so I told her she should let me curl it. So we did that, and she was feeling herself for real, like she was really feeling herself. But yeah, I curled it or whatever, and y'all will see that soon. So yeah, I curled her hair. It was still kind of weighed down, but yeah, that's really all for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and Princess Leah is out this thing.
Bye. Bye.